Now before I open this, I'll give you a huge shout out to Injuku. I placed the order and within 2 hours or less, they sent me tracking information. So they're very punctual. This package I actually wasn't even supposed to get until tomorrow, but it showed up early. So what we have here is a full competition clutch stage 4 kit, and they did give you various options to choose from, and I went with what I did for various reasons due to kind of previous history on some of the other cars I drove. Move that out of the way. So in this kit, nice little stickers and a little bit of information. So first thing, we have the pressure plate. And I went with the 6-puck sprung, rated for roughly about 500 horsepower. Wanted to go a little bit overkill for my horsepower goals, just because I want to make sure it's going to last. Comes with the bearings and the alignment tool. And I also had it include the flywheel.